Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, we're at the job site for day one of this project, which we're going to finish out over the next few days. But this particular video is just going to be some more progress on this theater room. Obviously, we'll have some finished video when this whole thing is done. The seats are in, all that kind of stuff. But let's show you what we've got. So if you watch a previous video, we did a installation. We had to retro in these JL Audio subs in the front wall and these front speakers. These are the reference Sonance speakers that are in the front wall, and they were painted by the painters and they did a horrible job on them. So we are repainting the grills. As you guys know, painters typically aren't very good at painting grills for some reason. I don't know why, but we had to order new grills and we're gonna get these things painted again. So just to show you what we're doing, we got the Sonance reference speakers here. Let's go over here so you can see this one. But there we go. We have the left and right Sonance speakers. We're actually doing an on-wall center channel, a really nice on-wall by James, because for some reason, the middle of this wall has all these supports that they wouldn't let us cut. So no end wall. And to be even close to matching those speakers, we had to pick something pretty cool. So we went with the James, it's their SPL6 center channel. So it's got 4 5.25 inch drivers. It's got 4 of the 3/4 inch dome tweeters in their quad array. So it's definitely going to perform. And it's gonna be an on-wall. So there'll be an on-wall underneath the screen. Of course, we're doing Screen Innovation screen. We're using the Slate 1.2. It's gonna go there, 130 inch Slate 1.2 on a, we're doing the classic velvet frame in this particular case. And of course, down below, see if we can take this, we can see you guys. Down below, see that box right there? That's gonna be the James. We have 2 of those James JL Audio 8-inch subs. Again, those are just the pieces of wood to protect as they cut the sheetrock. And again, more grills we got to redo because the painters rolled them. Quit rolling grills, painters. You jack up all the squares and clog it all up. So we're gonna spray them. We have a spray booth or a spray set up at the office, so in our warehouse. So we're gonna spray those, and it should be super cool. But you can see back over there, there's one of the other speakers. And then that one over there, you can barely see because it's been painted. So it actually looks really good when they're painted. But again, if you saw a close up of these grills, you would see that they're clogged. So don't clog the grills. So anyway, so we have that going on with 2 JL Audio subs. This is going to pound. Can't wait. The client's gonna be so thrilled when he hears this all calibrated. We're using the Integra 5.4. We're using Direct to calibrate this audio system. And we'll just go you guys around a little bit to the back here. And then yeah, so there's our rear speakers back there. Let's take you over there. So here are the reference 2 surrounds. Check out these bad boys. Oh my goodness. These, so we have the reference 1s in the front, reference 2 surrounds in the back. And then we have 4 speakers in the ceiling for Atmos. So this room is gonna pound with a left, center, right, 2 subs in the front, a pair of these R2 surrounds in the rear, and then 2 pairs of round in the ceiling. So super, super awesome. Can't wait. We got some seating all right here. I don't know if you can see all this. All this is your seating. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like 8 chairs, 8 recliners. So we got 8 recliners here. They got them covered up so they won't get dirty. Again, this project is not quite done, but we will do a finished video, obviously, when we are done. And then last but not least, back over here, up there, the new Sony 4K projector laser. It's gonna be super awesome. And so we'll have that there onto this big, beautiful 130 inch screen, and this awesome system with Integra receiver and all kinds of cool equipment. I think we're doing a little bit of streaming through Apple TV, Roku's, things of that nature. But yeah, just want to get you guys updated. This is all that we're doing. Today is adding the projector screen, get those mounted, get that mounted. I'm gonna repaint these grills, and it should be super awesome, guys. This is just phase 2 of getting this project finished. We'll do another video when it's all done. But if you guys have any questions, comments, please leave them in the section down below, because man, this theater room is really coming together. We've had to do a lot of things to get these speakers just even in, because this room wasn't originally going to be a theater room, and now it is. So lots of cool things going in with all these little knick-knack things. You can see that over there, old Blockbuster gumball, and of course I've got terrible lighting. There we go. There's the gumball. There's the Back in the corner, it's all kind of faded, but there's the jukebox, and there's all kinds of cool things coming up here. So again, with your theater room or media room, you can do all kinds. Oh, let's check this out. We got the old Coca-Cola. You can kind of see that maybe. There we go. Old Coca-Cola cooler with bottles. Looks like a little slot machine. So that's the thing with theater or media rooms. You can do so many cool things. There's a multi-purpose room, dedicated, whatever. We'll eventually change out some of these lights. And we'll do some cool warm dim through DMF or whatever. But anyway, there's so many cool options for theater. So when we get to do a theater room or media room, the floodgates open. There's so many options with lighting, with audio, in walls, on walls, you know, you name it. Cabinets, no cabinets, hidden. There's just so many cool options for theater. So we love doing theater rooms because not everyone is the same. And there's so many options to do nice mid-level, high-end, you know, theaters. From the audio and video standpoint. So yeah, guys, enjoy doing this little video. Can't wait to get this whole thing done. We'll do a finished video, but this is the end of phase 2. To show you guys the Sonance, the James. We don't have the screen up yet or the projector up, but we'll show you that in the finished video. So until next time, guys, you guys have a great day. See ya.